Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I am going to show you how we get louder volume from AirPods or AirPods Pro. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. The first thing that we have to do, launch settings, then go to accessibility, scroll down and tap audio and visual. Here we have to adjust the volume balance. The second thing that we have to do, launch settings, then go to music. Here we have to enable sound check. The third thing that we have to do, launch settings, then go to battery and turn on low power mode. The fourth thing that we have to do, launch settings, tap Bluetooth. Here we have to turn on automatic air detection. The fifth thing that we have to do, open control center. Here we have to increase the volume like that. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.